Hi all, this is Subramaniam here. Today I'll be talking about AWS organizations. That means how to create an organization and how to create accounts under that we will discuss today. Okay, actually here I have two accounts for the demo requirement. So this is my primary account, Subbu AWS CZ, and another account is SV6GDC. This is my secondary account. Let me go back to my primary account. I have already logged into my AWS console. So click on my organization. Okay. After you click on my organization, you can see the your account already added into your organization's list. Now let me invite my secondary account to the primary account. This is my secondary account. Go back to my organization of secondary account. Okay. So this is the organization of my secondary account, and the account of that is already added under that secondary organization. Copy the ID of this account ID of this account, secondary account. Go back to the primary account, add account. If you click on that, it will ask for invite account or create a new account. Let me do the invite account. Type in the email ID or account ID that you want to add under this organization, and you can leave the other things as it is. I'm not adding any tags here now. Click on invite. A handshake with the specified type of the parameters already exists for the given parties. Okay, let me check. Click on organizations. Seems like I have already invited to that secondary organization. Due to that, it is not taking up. Let me check on my previous invitations. Yes, I can see like there is an invitation already. Let me cancel my previous invitation. Okay, now all my previous invitations are in the cancelled status. Go back to the AWS organization again, add account, invite account, type in the account number that you need to add under this organization. Leave the notes as blank as of now, and I am not adding any tags under this. Click on invite. Yes, now the invitation has been sent again. Let me go back to my secondary account. This is my secondary account. Okay. So my secondary account is associated with this email ID. Okay. Let me log into this email. I might have got an invitation from my primary account. Yes, as expected, I have got an invitation from my primary account. Your AWS account has been invited to join an AWS organization. Click on that. Something went wrong. Okay, so this is the invitation. This is the latest email. Go to this and you can see the content like Subbu AWS CZ would like to add your account so and so to their AWS organization as a member account. You can go through the email in detail later. Then there will be an URL here. Click on that URL to give your acceptance to join the primary AWS organization. You have an invitation to join other organizations. Review the details to respond to the invitations. You can only join one organization at a time. So I'll be joining this organization. So after that I'll not be able to join other organizations. You can see the details, other details. Click on accept. Click on confirm. The AWS account is already a member of an organization. Okay, so the primary account, the secondary account also, I have created an organization for the secondary account also. So due to that, it is not allowing this secondary account to add under my primary organization account. That is the issue here. I have to disable the organization of my secondary account. Let me check the options for that. Actually, I have to delete the organization for my secondary AWS account. Let us see how that can be done. This is my secondary AWS account. Click on AWS organizations. Go to the settings. Delete organization. Confirm on this. Click on delete organization again. Okay, now there is no organization associated with my secondary AWS account. Now let me try to accept my invitation from my primary account, from primary organization. This is a URL which I got already. Okay, now let me click on accept, click on confirm. Yes, now your account belongs to the following organization. So management account email ID is this is subramaniam.vimal@capgemini.com. So this is my primary email ID of my primary AWS account and AWS organization. So you can leave this organization at any point of time by clicking on this leave organization. Okay. So this is my secondary account. Minimize this, go back to your primary account. Yes, now you can see there are two accounts associated under this organization. This is the organization which I have created in my primary AWS account, under which I have added up a new two AWS organizations. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you all. Bye.